In a distant land far from home, four young Indians from Hyderabad and Tamil Nadu were chasing their dreams in the United States, united by a common goal and shared journey. Little did they know that their lives would tragically intervene into a way that no one can ever imagine. What began as a routine carpool organized through a popular app ended in a horrific accident that left a community in mourning. You're watching Times XP and I'm Dhriti Atri. In a heartbreaking incident on August 30, 2024, four young Indian nationals, including a woman, tragically lost their lives in a horrific road accident in Texas. The victim, who had met through a carpooling app, were on their way to Bentonville when the journey took a devastating turn. The group was traveling in an SUV when a speeding truck rear-ended their vehicle. The force of the collision was so intense that it caused the SUV to burn into flames, killing all four of them instantly. Now, the accident occurred around 3:30 p.m., leaving a scene of destruction that has since gripped both the Indian and local communities with grief. The deceased has been identified as Aryan Raghunath Orampati from Hyderabad with his friend Farooq Sheikh and Lokesh Palachalra and Darshini Vasudevan. Both were from Tamil Nadu. Aryan and Farooq, who were residents of Bentonville, had been returning from a trip from Dallas and where they had visited Aryan's relative. Meanwhile, Lokesh was on his way to meet his wife in Bentonville, while Darshini was headed to visit her uncle. Now, the impact of the crash was so severe that authorities had faced significant challenges in identifying the victims. Due to the intent of the burns, they were relying on the DNA fingerprints, dental records, and bones that were remained to confirm their identities that they were involved. Now, the tragedy has sent shockwaves through the Indian community in the United States, adding to a growing list of Indians that lost their life in road accidents. In recent months, there had been several other fatal incidents involving Indian nationals. In Houston, Texas, three members of Indian origin family perished in a car crash earlier this year on May 14. Three Indian students lost their life in tragic accident in Georgia as well. Now, this particular incident has drawn widespread attention, partly due to the social media post that was made by Darshini's father, who had desperately sought help in locating his daughter. On his plea, he tagged India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, describing how his daughter had been in the United States for 3 years, suddenly went missing after sending her last message around 4 p.m. on that particular day of the accident. As investigation continues, this tragic event served as a stark reminder of the danger that road travelers can face. The loss of those young four children has left everybody in shock. For more such information, do follow TimesXP.